Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this May the 15th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Wednesday evening. So everybody continue to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Thursday and Friday. Also, the weather radar currently across the nation. Also, the watch and warning advisory map. Also, the Storm Prediction Center overview and the storm report that came in this afternoon. And also take a look at the severe weather outlook for your Thursday and Friday. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Still trying to reach 600 subscribers. Somebody could help me out. I greatly appreciate it. Also like these videos, share these videos, and now let's go get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see here we got thunderstorms and showers up here in portion of New Brunswick through Maine, back into New Hampshire, Vermont, and New York State. Shower activity across southern New Hampshire down to Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New Jersey, Delaware vicinities as well. We have a few patches of thunder showers over portions of West Virginia, down into western Virginia as well. Patch of thunder over South Florida down toward the Florida Keys. Also more thunderstorms and showers from southwest Georgia back into the Gulf of Mexico, back into Texas, New Mexico, Arizona to Colorado, up to Wisconsin, Michigan, also southeast Canada, also across northern Michigan around the Great Lakes, also back across Montana, North and South Dakota, and also Montana right along the Canadian border there as well. The red slashed area down there for a portion of Oklahoma to Texas, flash flooding, heavy rain is severe weather possible. Alright, we have mixed precipitation over portion of New Mexico, Colorado, also a little bit into portion of Nebraska, Utah, California, also in the Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, and Washington State, and Oregon region as well, and also some shower activity along Washington State and northwestern Oregon. Alright, all this activity is for your Thursday, May 16th. And high pressure Atlantic and southeast, Gulf of California, also Mexico, Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica, Cuba, and the Bahamas as well. Alright, let's move on to your Friday forecast now. Alright, you can see we got a northern shower from southeast Canada, stretching from a portion of Maine through New York State, down to the Carolinas, Florida, also off the east coast of Florida, Gulf of Mexico to Texas, back into Missouri, Illinois, and also Michigan. More thunderstorms and showers from the Canadian border, all the way from portion of Montana, also North and South Dakota, Minnesota, and South Dakota, and portion of Wyoming. Alright, we have some heavy rain and flash flooding over portion of Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana, portion of Kentucky. Same for portion of Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana. We have some severe weather possible over portion of Alabama, Arkansas as well. Alright, we have some mixed precipitation over here in portion of Wyoming to Montana to Idaho, and also portion of Washington, Oregon State. All of this activity is for your Friday, May 17th. Alright, otherwise, dry high pressure is in charge of much of Canada through the western U.S., central U.S., portions of the northeast, Florida, down toward the Bahamas, Cuba, Jamaica, the Yucatan Peninsula, much of Mexico, and also into portions of the Gulf of California. Across the nation, as you can see, also over toward Long as well. Massachusetts, Florida, across South Florida, may bring some severe weather there as well, and also some more activity in the coastal waters of the Atlantic, Iowa, down in the portion of Nebraska, also into Missouri, Arkansas. Same over toward north in Utah, a little bit up around Montana. Alright, now let's move on to the watch and warning advisory map. Okay, here we go. All right, we got some flood advisories up here in Portsmouth, Maine. We have some special marine warnings, special gale warnings, and small craft advisory from up here in Boston down to the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Also, we have a brand new tornado warning right here along Georgetown, South Carolina, moving into the coastal water. Severe thunderstorm watches in effect for southeast North Carolina, central and eastern South Carolina. Advisories around the Charlotte area, thunderstorm warnings along the I-95 corridor, and also we have some special marine warnings along coastal areas, the same across the coastal waters of Florida. Flooded effect from portions of Mississippi, Louisiana, and Texas, with some ongoing flood warnings there as well. Same from portions of Illinois, Iowa, also in down toward Missouri, also into portions of Tennessee, and also Arkansas and East Texas. Oklahoma, and also North Texas, with ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings there as well. Also, we have hydro issues over southeastern Colorado. Flood watches also in portions of the New Mexico region. Also, we have special weather statements for portions of Montana, wind advisories to the west, also in the portion of Washington State. High wind watches, wind advisories over portions of River Flamenco and Nevada. We have flash flood watches posted for the Hawaii and Chain Island, and also we have some blizzard warnings, small craft advisories, and also some winter weather advisory on coastal areas of Alaska and California. All right, let's take a look at the watches warning advisory map. Right here, as you can see, there's that activity over the northeast portion of mid-Atlantic. Also, of Oklahoma, slight risk over here in the Carolinas, marginal risk there as well. Marginal risk stringent from up here in the Nebraska. All right, like I said, there's portion of Georgia, across Florida. There's the marginal risk up in portion of Minnesota. There's that slight risk, enhanced risk I was mentioning. Severe thunderstorm watches should be in effect for the Carolinas. Let's get to the watches. There's, uh, see if we can get to the MDS discussion. Currently just talking about the current severe thunderstorm watches. Storm report came in this afternoon. Try to get to it. And then with the storm report, we had 0 tornado report, which is good news. We had wind report. We had 13 of them over North Texas. The Carolinas, and also one down into Florida. That brought we can get to the fire weather into portion of West Texas. If we can get convective outlook, I might just show it just 3 days instead of today. Kentucky, stretching all the way down into portions of the big panhandle of Florida. All right. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Sorry I couldn't show it in different ways since the thing was messing up. I decided to do it this way a little quicker. Hope everybody enjoyed the weather because it's the only weather you got. Like the video, share the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful take